Hello South Africa. Brace yourselves. Stage 8 load shedding is a possibility. Consider yourselves warned, Eskom is still battling to keep the lights on and the situation could get worse. The clearly struggling power utility is now warning South Africans it could be forced to ramp up the power outages even beyond stage 6. South Africans have had to put up with considerably higher stages of load shedding in recent days, particularly due to breakdowns at some of Eskom power stations. While Eskom had initially planned on rolling out lower load shedding stages for the week, delays in returning generating units to service at Kendal, Matla and Matimba power stations prompted the sudden implementation of stage 6 load shedding indefinitely. On Wednesday, spokesperson Daphne Makona urged members of the public to reduce their electricity demand between 1700 hours and 2100 hours by switching off all non-essential appliances. Failure to do so sufficiently could see the peristatal ramp-up load shedding to beyond stage 6. In April 2023, it was learned that Eskom had silently implemented stage 8 load shedding. A report by Sunday Times claimed that energy availability, at the time stage 8 load shedding was implemented, was sitting at 23,771 megawatts against the power demand of 30,747 megawatts. This means it had to shed 7,072 megawatts of electricity, according to its energy generation update. Stage 8 load shedding requires between 7,001 megawatts and 8,000 megawatts of electricity being shed. Eskom spokesperson confirmed the utility had shed beyond the 6,000 megawatts, but denied implementing stage 8 load shedding during that period. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.